welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about our new website. This website is a very real and gaining profits from this website. You can invest a small amount of TRX and gain a big profit from this website. How you can earn from this website, how you can deposit in this website, how you can withdraw from this websites. I will explain all the information. So before starting video, I request all viewer please like the video and also subscribe the channel. Because you can subscribe my channel, I will help you to give you a better website to invest and gain a profit from these websites. Before I tell you, I am start to make a telegram channel to collect my all subscriber on it. You can join when I make my account and added a link in a description. Let's start the video. Before starting, I request all of you please watch the video complete. I will provide you a link in the description so you can easily join these websites and check out this. You can see a page of Tron Thunder. This website's link is tronthunder.io sign in slash. You can see this website look is very gorgeous and you can invest and save credit. And before starting the video, I will send you did not have account. I make a new account on this and enter in the websites. I click on a sign up option. You can see a refer ID, TRX address, email in first name, last name, country, password, confirm password. I accept the term and conditions. You can see that Turner and Dash Thunder is a very website. In this website you can invest 1200 TRX. The team and website automatically join refer in your account, and you could gain a large amount of profit by websites automatically joining refer system, and you can invest. I will show you the plans of these websites at the mid of the video. Please watch the video complete so I describe all the information and details about these websites clearly. Before I put you a link of refer ID, if you click on my link, the refer ID is already put it, and you can see that refer ID is not put it. You can, when you click on my link, the ID is already put it. And TRX address, enter a valid TRX wallet address. It means that you can put here a valid TRX address, mean the account which associated with Tron links and such as the Tron Pro link. I click on a Tron Pro link to copy my TRX. You can see I have 3 TRX, and I click on a receive option, and after receiving I copy my address. You can see that, and in the here I see you can TRX portion I paste here, and in the down you can put your email and you are using in your device, because this web center you are Gmails from this websites. And I click on this website's Gmail, and you can see I have received many Gmails from this websites as a Tron Thunder, and you can see here. And I go back to the my page of registration. You can see email, first name, put here your first name. I click on a first name and put here my first name token star, has my channel name token, and last name is my star. I click on a star. You can see that in the down you can see a country portion. You can join this website by these countries, all these countries you check out it, and you can see there is almost all the world countries. You can see Namibia and other Mexico, and all big and small countries are located and supporting this website. You can see I click on a Pakistan, and at the down you can see password and confirm password option. This portion is very important because your security is very strict in this website. So please put the code here which has contain strong password, like contain words. First word is bigger and other small, and contain many other options. And you can put your first password, and in the down you can see a confirm password, putting these option, and after you I fill this email options to check you other details and information about these websites. Before I put my refer ID, because refer ID is very necessary to log in this websites. I copy my refer id and put here. You can say that I put on my refer id to copy my account, and you can see here my refer id is 80675075, and you can see my link, and I put here refer email and confirm password and confirm password, and after click on I accept. I put here my email like has a real game word 5 email gmail.com, and you can follow me on this and send me a mail by using this gmail. And in the down I put my password. You can see that my password I am putting here, and click on my put, and in the down I confirm my password has I uploaded and written on the up page, and I click on a term. I accept the term and conditions, and I click on a registered option. You can see that my or alert registered, and I entered into the Tron Thunder application. You can see I receive a mail from this website login credential. Thank you for choose Tron Thunder to service your crypto needs. This email to confirm your most recent transaction. You can log in, view your dashboards. This is your password and ID. You can see here our Tron Thunder application logo. Congratulations, your ID, password, package participants. This package I give you all information. You first watch the video complete and also like the channel and sub video. Before I discuss about all these portions, I want to say you about Tron Thunder information. I click go to page Tron Thunder about Tron Thunder. Tron Thunder is a global new generation community program and the first ever smart formula of its kind in the blockchain of Tron. And you can see it is a software algorithm performing the function of a distribution of the affiliate commission between community and condition the market plan. The code is in the public domain and transaction information can be viewed at the link. You can see a safe and secure free token is smart instant withdrawal. You can give us instant withdrawal from this website's user friendly, mobile user friendly, and transparency copyright 2021 reserved. And you can see a very simple look, and I click on a roadmap. I see you the roadmap of these websites to see you about more information this websites. And I go to the page of roadmap Thunder. I go to the my page is loading. You can see that the page is completely loaded, and I describe you about more and more hits. And I this portion I already described, and I go down and see you token pricing values. July 16 2021 Wednesday 7 a.m. and July ending time is July 15 2022, and in the down total token supplies is that, and here you can see a low price is $0.001 and highest point high is in 24 hours is 0.001. Total circulatory supply, total distributed TRX, acceptable currency, total distributed TAT is that you can see on the screen. And you can see a token sale proceed 19%, 24% public use giveaway, and you can see a market and journals operational overhead, and see a roadmap Tron Thunder token. We have unstoppable community July 2020 created professional expert as we are choosing country heads and members achieve ranking in Tron Thunder. The team will grow. We are proud of our founder Mr. J.P. Radmer. Here he is one of the most motivated and enthusiastic founder we have, and is always ready and willing to help out where needed. And you can see a Mr. Jean, and in the down you can see other information, frequently asked question or questions and answers are listed. Questions and answers are supposed to be commonly asked in some time. You can see what is currency. Cryptocurrency is a form of payment that can be exchanged services. Many companies have issued their own currencies, often called tokens, and these can be traded specifically for the good or services that the company provide. Think of them as you arcade tokens or casino chips. You will need to exchange daily currency for the cryptocurrency to access the good or services. You can see some facts. What is Tron Thunder? Who owns Tron Thunder? Who are commission paid? What is the risk of joining Tron Thunder? What personal information is needed to open an account? What is the registration and referral process of Tron Thunder? What is the difference between community reward and referral reward? And in the down you can see what is difference and how many on. You can see all these facts. I click on one facts, you can see the answer of this, and you can see all the answer of this facts, and I will explain the rank achievers. VIP 177.5, VIP 2 1393, VIP 3 461. These are the persons who achieve the ranks in the Throne Thunder. And you can see VIP 4 is achieved only by 78%, and VIP 5 26%, VIP 6 3%, and VIP 7 not achieved by any people. Download presentation. Tron Thunder is a global new generation crypto token platform with the first ever smart formula of its kind in the Tron blockchain. We request you to download the following given PDF to know more information about this project. And here you can see social links of this Telegram and Twitter. You can ask a question on this. And in the down you can see Tron Thunder next generation community program. Contact us, get in touch. You can see a email of Tron Thunder. You can send him a email to get information about more it. And you can see partnered with the trading platform coming soon. The partner of this platform coming soon. I will give you a post of this when this is soon and collectively public. And you can see a team option and fact. I click on a fact option to describe the fact portion of this websites, but I already described these facts. You can check your answers and some questions of about this. And I again click on this and check you about how it work token. I click on a token. You can see these token pricing values I already described. Let I go to the my page of tokens. I will describe you the silver, gold, sapphire, emerald, and ruby. I will describe one by one. Please watch the video complete so I clearly describe this token without any disturbance. Let's start by describing silver. You can see a TRX. Here's a 400 TRX. You can buy it and get a 400 TTT token. This is a token and refers you earn from this. The website automatically join refer in the big VIP options via Ruby. And if you buy a 1200 TRX Ruby options, the TRX the team of website automatically give you a refers and you can earn many profit from these websites. And here you can see a 5 type of package: 400 TRX to 1200 TRX. And you can see in 400 price TRX is get 400 TT tokens, and gold portion is 600 TRX got 600 TT tokens, and shape here 800 TRX got 800 TTT buy. And if you in these websites you can earn many profits. I request my all subscribers and viewers, please necessary invest in this website because this website is very important and the world best trading platform connected with this websites, and you can easily invest in these websites. I will show you how to invest in these websites. Please watch the video complete because if you watch the video step by step you can learn about more and more about these websites. Here you can see a silver price and TRX option, but I click on one buying option. But before I describe these all one by one, and I describe these three options already, and I will going to describe emerald option. If you invest price is 1000 TRX, you get 1000 TT token. One token is equal to 1 TRX. And here you can see a price ruby 1200 TRX, and you can get a 1200 TG token. If you join it, you can earn many profit from this website. I refresh this, you can see on my page, and I want to buy a ruby option. I click on a ruby, because if you buy a higher package, you can earn many profit from these websites and instantly withdraw from these websites. You can see I do not close this window until this transaction is confirmed. You can see my page and showing is running, and here you can see my payment and user ID 1200 payment I send on this address by scanning or by sending by a link, and I copy this link from this websites and go to my wallet in which I have a TRX. But I give you a demo how to deposit in this websites. If you want to deposit, please necessarily deposit in this website, because this website is very important and instant gaming withdraw. I click on my options of wallets, and I go to wallets and click on a Tron Pro link, and you can see my options of TRX. You can click on a send options and send take the withdrawal here, paste and check it, because this is a very big amount. You cannot waste it, and I confirm my TRX address TA9I, and I go to check it. This is TA and 9I is my account, and you can see my total TRX I sent to him his 1200 TRX to active my VIP 5 portions. Here you can see that it is equated to $84, and I want to say all my subscriber, please invest in this website, because this website is very important and very necessary. And you can see that if I send him a TRX, you can see my website is automatically loading. If he received automatically my TRX and active my account activity, and I start gaining profit from this website. Please you invest in this website, so you earn from this website instant and money. As I invested no in this website, because I have no TRX. When I have TRX, I already I want to invest in these websites. And at the end, I want to say my all subscriber, please like the video and also share this video with friends, because who want to invest in a great platform, so he invest in this websites and get a many profit from this. You can join him through your link to earn a many profits, as you has joined more persons. And this is a very golden websites. At the end, I want to say all my viewers, please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. If you want to join the telegram of my, I will provide you a description in link, and you can join my telegram channel. And I go to the thundered applications. You can see this is the option how I open it. You can open it by searching on a Google tronthunder.io. I click on tronthunder.io. You can see this is a page, and tronthunder.io is a word trade options. You can send and download it by this, and I check by this. You can see that, and you can see about more information. You can click on about why tronthunder, this website, checking your browser before accessing tronthunder. You can check it, because I already checked you how to open, and I give you all details about this. And take care, goodbye. So please like the video, so I understand my viewers liked my video, because this website is very great. Take care, goodbye.